guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the AOMUU facial scrub and massage pads. And these pads come in a set of two, and they're said to enhance your face washing experience by combining the facial cleansing, black hair removing, exfoliating, and massage features all into one cleansing pad. Now these brushes have three different areas. The top area is for fine particles, cleaning sensitive parts such as around the corner of your eyes and the edges of your nose. Then you have the middle section, which is for medium particles, which helps to exfoliate and remove dead skin cells. And then the bottom section is for coarse particles, which helps to massage and enhance the facial blood circulation. For best results, it's recommended to use the pad with a facial cleanser. So on this particular night, I used my NaturalAnnie Essentials facial wash. So I apply the cleanser to my face using my hands, and my face is moist with water. And then after I've done that, I take the cleansing pad and I just work it in a circular motion around my face. And when I get to the area around my eyes and around my nose, I am going to use the top section of the brush or the cleansing pad that has the fine bristles. And then for the rest of my face, I just alternate between the medium bristles and the coarse bristles on the brush. Now, using this particular brush was a new experience for me, but I really did like it. I like the way that it makes my skin feel, and I like that I can easily exfoliate my skin on a daily basis without having to use an additional facial scrub. And also, I really like that it's made of a food-grade silicone material, which is very safe and environmental friendly. And so it's non-toxic, it's odorless, and then because of the material that it's made of, it doesn't harbor any bacteria as long as you make sure that you clean it really good after each use. And all it takes to clean it is just some warm water and a mild shampoo or soap. Now, this cleansing pad set retails for $10.99 on Amazon, and I will put the links down below if you're interested in learning more about it and trying them out for yourself. I would recommend them, and I think that if you try them, you would like them yourself. Well, that's all for today's video. As always, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, have a great day. Bye!